I think the next question would be, we should ask them whether they want to avail of the services of a lawyer. Yun po yung protocol. So, we might as well ask them, but I do not know if...
But I think they're refusing to answer if they wanted to avail. At kanina nga, sinatanong natin kung they wanted to avail.
Order.
I do not know if other members of this committee do not know the rules, but I know the rules. I think that's the rule.
And I agree with that, Mr. Chairman.
Then you do not violate that rule.
Yes. And that's the reason why, Mr. Chairman, a while ago, when we asked him...
You do not have the floor yet, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, may I be recognized?
Because I haven't finished my statement yet.
Tapos we asked again if we wanted to avail the services of the lawyer. Still, hindi rin siya sumasagot. And that's the reason why I stopped asking, no? Because I know the rights of these people. And I think it's incumbent upon the chairman to decide whether we will be asking him or not anymore. Because what I'm trying to point out, what's the reason we invited them over if we will not be asking questions? Di ba? Sana hindi na lang po natin sila inimbita. So, I think, Mr. Chairman, if you will allow us, but if not, andito naman po si Attorney Romy Acop, he can probably ask him to represent this.
Sumasandal ka sa akin.
Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Okay.
may I ask the BID?
BID.
Are there criminal cases already filed against the four?
Mr. Chair, wala pa ho. Only administrative charge by the Bureau of Immigration.
In your administrative process, are they not entitled to the right against self-incrimination?
They're entitled to that right, Mr. Chair.
When you investigated them, did they request for a lawyer?
In the absence of their personal lawyer, Mr. Chair, a PAO lawyer is...
Yes. Was there a power lawyer when you investigated them?
During the inquest, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Apo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, Congressman Fernandez, I asked earlier kung may abogado sila. Wala eh.
Mr. Chair.
Pero sa immigration po, yung nakuha po ba natin passport nila, Chinese passport, were you able to get a Filipino passport for this for detainees?
No Filipino passports, Mr. Chair. Only 2 Chinese passports presented during the inquest. Actually, Mr. Chair, they have a private lawyer, no PAO lawyer. They have their own
private lawyer.
So they have a private lawyer. Sino po yung private lawyer nyo, Mr. Liu? Sino po yung abogado po ninyo? Meron po kayo abogado na Pilipino, di po ba? Ano pong pangalan ng abogado po ninyo?
Abogado mo?
Wala pa man.
Huwag ka na magsinungaling dito. Ay sinasabi nila meron ka abogado eh.
Wala pa man.
Wala ka abogado?
Wala pa.
Sino nagre-represent sa inyo nung pumunta kayo sa husgado?
Hindi ko alam.
Meron po ba nag-represent sa kanila?
During the inquest proceedings, Mr. Chair.
Meron sila. Alam mo, Mr. Chairman, nagsisinungaling na to. Unang-una pa lamang eh. Kikita na natin.
Pero hindi ako eh. Hindi ko alam eh. Talaga.
Alam mo, sinabi ng aming opisyales sa immigration that you have meron kang lawyer na kasama nung pumunta kayo sa husgado. At nakita nila na may kasama kayo. Ngayon sinasabi mo wala kayong kasama abogado? Wala kang kilala abogado? Hindi mo kilala abogado nyo?
Yung bang nag-inquest kayo, may kasama kang abogado doon?
Nandun pa sila sa inquest?
Meron na tanong pero hindi pa man sure na abogado sa amin.
Hindi ka sure kung abogado yun?
Hindi ba?
But he was a private lawyer, correct?
Yeah, yes, Mr. Chair, private lawyer. Pero yung the inquest proceedings was conducted sa BI building po. Not sa,
Andun po ba sila?
Nasa Rizal.
Andun sila.
Andun po sila during the
So kung
inquest
nandun
proceedings.
kayo, kasama mo yung abogado nyo. Nakita mo yung abogado nung kayo in-inquest, correct? Mr. Liu?
Sa
Oo, nung nag-inquest kayo, nung preliminary, nagkita-kita kayo doon sa piskal.
Opo.
So kasama nyo yung kayong apat, tapos meron kayong kasamang isang tao doon na pinagtatanggol kayo, tama?
Hindi ko
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Ako.
the BI said that they had a private lawyer. May I know who commissioned the private lawyer?
Mr. Chair, based dun sa Intel operatives, prior to the inquest proceedings, may dumating daw pong lawyer to represent them. March 21, 2024.
May we be privileged to know the name of the lawyer?
We will submit, Mr. Chair.
Hmm.
Sa legal division po kasi namin nakukuha yung document.
Mr. Chair, I think before we subject the four to questioning, we have to ask them, you have asked already the first question, whether there's a lawyer to represent them. I think the next question would be, we should ask them whether they want to avail of the services of a lawyer. Yun po yung protocol. So, we might as well ask them, but I do not know if...
But I think they're refusing to answer if they wanted to avail. At kanina nga, sinatanong natin kung they wanted to avail.
Order.
Do they want to have a lawyer?
Excuse me, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Akop has the floor. Please give that privilege to him to finish first before we respond or before we reply. And before that, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our Deputy Speaker, J.J. Suarez. Welcome to this Committee on Dangerous Drugs Committee hearing. And of course, the better half, Congresswoman Ann Suarez. Welcome to the Committee on Dangerous Drugs. Okay, please continue, Congressman Akop. Let's give him the privilege to finish what he has to say.
Mr. Chair, our proceedings in this hall of Congress is governed by rules. I do not know if other members of this committee do not know the rules, but I know the rules. When a witness is supposed to be here and to be asked questions, the rule states we ask him whether he wants to avail of the services of a lawyer. If he says no, if he has no lawyer with him, then we ask him, would he want to avail of the service of a lawyer? And then it is incumbent on our institution to provide him a lawyer. I think that's the rule.
And I agree with that, Mr. Chairman.
Then you do not violate that
Yes. And that's the reason why, Mr. Chairman, a while ago, when we asked
rule.
him...
You do not have the floor yet, Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chairman, may I be recognized?
because I haven't finished my statement yet.
Let's allow Congressman Akop to finish first before I recognize Congressman Dan Fernandez. Please continue, Congressman Akop.
Now, we are going to ask these people questions regarding their involvement in certain violations of our law. And therefore, our laws guarantee that they are supposed to be protected, or their rights are supposed to be protected by a lawyer. Our laws say so, or our laws say so. So we have to respect the rights also. And even if we read the rules, the rights of witnesses against self-incrimination should be respected. So, dapat ganun lang. I do not know if we would be legally able to ask questions from these people in the absence of a lawyer of their own choice, or a lawyer this institution will provide them. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
Thank
Chair.
you, Congressman Akop.
Mr. Chair.
Now, you have the floor, Congressman
This
Dan
representation
Fernandez.
understands fully the rights of these people that we have invited. Actually, they really have this opportunity to bring their own lawyers. And as a matter of fact, a while ago, we asked the immigration officer, and they told us that they have a private lawyer. And I believe that when we were asking the leader of these 4 detainees, we asked him, sabi natin kanina, are you willing to answer all the queries of the members? And hindi naman po siya sumasagot. Tapos we asked again if we wanted to avail the services of the lawyer. Still, hindi rin siya sumasagot. And that's the reason why I stopped asking, no? Because I know the rights of these people. And I think it's incumbent upon the chairman to decide whether we will be asking him or not anymore. Because what I'm trying to point out, what's the reason we invited them over if we will not be asking questions? Di ba? Sana hindi na lang po natin sila inimbita. And that's the reason why we asked them kanina kung willing sila magsalita. Now, if the detainee or these people that we have invited will said that ayaw nila, and then we will follow. But unfortunately, they are not answering back. Hindi nga sila nagsasabi kung may lawyer, hindi nila alam. O, gusto mo ba sumagot? Hindi ko alam. Those are the answers that we are getting eh. And kitang-kita naman natin, they are just fooling us. So, I think, Mr. Chairman, it's up to the chairman to decide on this matter.
Thank you, Congressman Dan Fernandez, for that lengthy explanation. The reason why the chair was intervened earlier is because I wanted to ask whether the resource persons that we invited is willing to answer questions in the absence of their lawyer or a lawyer. Because if they would require us to provide them with a lawyer as pursuant to our rules, we must and should provide them a lawyer. And before it got confusing, I gave the privilege and the opportunity to Congressman Acop and Congressman Fernandez to explain and state their position on the issue. Ngayon, since you asked if the chair would decide on this matter, let me go straight directly to the resource person. If he is willing to answer question without a lawyer. If you need a lawyer, please say so because we will provide you with a lawyer. Mr. Wangbu, kasabot kag Bisaya? Dugay man kasibu.
Kunti.
Oh, konti. Gamay lang, ha?
20 years.
O, sige. So, willing kang sumagot sa tanong ng mga membro ng komiting ito? Na walang abogado?
Hindi ko masyado matindihan.
So, gusto mo ba ng abogado para mabigyan ka ng guidance?
Oh.
Okay? Ano sabi niya?
Oo daw, sir.
So, gusto mo abogado, bigyan ka namin abogado.
Gusto ba sa abogado?
Oo o hindi lang. Kung hindi, wala tayong ano. Gusto mo ng abogado, ayaw mo.
Gusto mo hanap ng ako abogado.
Gusto daw niya, sir, hanap siya ng abogado.
Wala kang kasi kung wala kang abogado ngayon, ang Kongreso ay magpo-provide ng abogado para sa iyo.
Sabi ni sir, kami dito bigay sa iyo abogado.
Mr. Chairman, hello.
May interpreter tayo.
Mr. Chair.
Kasi marami tanong yung mga members. Kung ayaw mo sagot, okay lang sa amin. Kasi karapatan mo yon. Pero kung gusto mo sagot, na walang abogado, karapatan mo rin. Pero kung gusto mo abogado, karapatan mo din. Bigay kami abogado sa iyo. Ayaw mo sagot?
Ayaw.
Mr. Chairman, alam naman natin, nagtatanga-tangahan na lang yan. Nakakaintindi naman ng Tagalog yan. 20 taon na nga nakatira dito sa Pilipinas yan. Alam ka naman hindi nakakaintindi yan. And negotiating with the different government agencies and earning a lot of money with those people working in our own government. Sigurado marunong mag-Tagalog yan. Pinapaikot lang tayo niyan.
Okay. So, in this case, sige, balik ka na dito, ano? Mr. Wambu. Mabilis eh. Naintindihan niya eh. So anyway, are there any other information relative to the 4 Chinese nationals from the BID?
Chairman?
Let's allow first the BID to reply and then Congressman.
PID nga eh.
Is
PID.
hindi. Oh, please answer my question first before another question is asked by a member.
No other additional or further information, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, thank you. Now, Congressman Paduano, your
Thank
turn
you.
to ask
Hey,
questions.
Chairman. So, they were issued different kind of visas, di ba? May dalawang retirees visa.
2 of the 4 subjects, Mr. Chair, retirees visa.
Oh, yung sa retirees visa, when was that given to them?
Wala eh. Mr. Chair, with me, copies of the SRRV or the retirees visas, but I can only state the validity, Mr. Chair.
The validity. How about the time that was issued to them?
It's not with me, Mr. Chair. It's filed sa PRA po, Philippine Retirement Authority, not immigration po.
Yung visa?
Yung
Yung issuance ng visa, wala sa inyo? Yung
Yeah.
date and time?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nandun sa PRA.
Implementing agency lang po kami ng...
Mr. Chairman, in the next hearing, we will invite PRA and produce that document with regards to the issuance of such. That's why. This is a motion. Chairman?
Yeah. There's a motion, duly seconded, hearing no objection. The motion of Congressman Paduano is approved.